Today, we're in the woods to train front sweep and back sweep. Two kicks that are like white belt in tricking. There's so many kicks in tricking that are not hard to learn, that we can all learn, that are just fun. And front sweep and back sweep are two kicks that I have a lot of fun with. And today, we're in the woods. It's a rainy day. It is the least ideal day for training tricking. So I'm gonna train some tricking with some front sweep and some back sweep. The technique for this trick is really simple. We're just gonna start in a stance, fighting stance. We're gonna squat down, leverage our weight on our side, round kick the ground, and then push back up to start right where we began. God, I love front sweep because it feels so cool. And like, front sweep is a cool trick because I can easily play with levels with this. Like jumping front kick, front sweep, tornado kick. Or you know what, I'll do it the opposite order. Tornado kick, front sweep, jumping front kick. It just feels good. Oh, I like front sweep. Now, back sweep. Starting in a fighting stance once again. Squatting down, turning, getting on that knee, hooking, and then standing back up. Pretty chill. I like back sweep a lot too. Oh. Cool thing about training on the in this environment is I can kick up the leaves when I hook kick, and it looks so cool. And switch to the front sweep. So I learned front sweep that I could like cancel it out by doing a front sweep and then instead of returning and twisting back, just playing the trick in reverse. God, I love that. So I'm gonna do round kick, front sweep, go in reverse, and then front sweep back up. I love that. Now I'm gonna do the same thing with hook kick. I'm going to hook kick sweep, reverse, then hook kick back around. All right, I think that's good. That's front sweep and back sweep. I love tricking. That is the workout I needed. Holy crap. I drew a circle on the ground. That is cool. I love how at the very end you can see a circle from where I've been doing my back sweeps and my front sweeps. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love tricking. Training tricking is easy. Training tricking doesn't have to be hard. So yeah, thank you. Have a lovely day.